ProCalV5, equipment is defined as a unit that does not get calibrated but can consist of one or more instruments and/or loops that do. Equipment could be a control panel, a vessel, machinery, or anything of that sort. Although it is not necessary to create equipment records, associating instruments, systems, and loops with equipment is a good way to create more detailed records. It also gives you the ability to run advanced queries that include equipment IDs, allowing you to isolate your data and more efficiently assign work. The IDs of all equipment records entered into this screen will be added to the equipment ID drop-down list within item types that contain that field, and will also appear for selection on the Additional Info tab of System Records in its Components section. To open the equipment screen, select the button labeled Equipment on the left side of the screen. The equipment record screen is used to add, modify, and if necessary, delete equipment records. The General Info tab is used to enter general information about the equipment record, such as its location, building, status, classification, serial number, model number, manufacturer, and equipment type. If the record is associated with a system, it displays a reference to that system record. Selecting Open will open the system record. The Additional Info tab contains three options: Department, which is used to associate the equipment record with a department, and PNID and PNID revision number, which are both alphanumeric fields. The Instruments and Loops tab lists all of the instruments and loops that have been associated with the equipment record. None of the data shown on this tab is modifiable, nor can any of the instruments or loops be accessed directly from this screen. The Documents tab is used to associate one or more documents with the equipment record. All document records which exist in the current company will appear in the Available Documents box. To assign documents to the record, highlight them in the Available Documents box, and then use the arrow keys. To remove a document from the documents associated with this equipment box, highlight it and use the arrow keys again. The remaining tabs function the same as on other item types. For further explanation on the tabs or any of the fields not elaborated on, please watch our Master Instrument Record video. And that's all there is to it. And now you can use equipment records in ProCalV5.